Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming fit and powering the unit. First, place the belt at your waist midline and fasten snugly, but not tight. This prevents slippage during motion. Once done, check battery level and connect charger if under 50% so performance is stable. Make sure clothing is thin under the pad to maintain sensor contact. Take a slow test pulse or short calibration cycle now. This gives baseline feedback and keeps the device accurate before full operation. Now you configure programs and set intensity. Choose endurance for steady work, power for intervals, or recovery for active rest. Once selected, begin at a low intensity and increase in small steps, no more than 10% each few minutes, to let muscles adapt and sensors stabilize. Connect to your app or display to watch cadence and output in real time and verbalize adjustments. If feedback shows drift or discomfort, pause and reseat the belt. Keep breathing steady. This helps your nervous. To finish, run a cool-down program and slowly drop intensity to avoid abrupt offsets in load. This helps recovery and protects connective tissue. Once cooled, power off, wipe sweat from contact areas, and store the belt in a dry place. Remove or disconnect the battery for extended storage to preserve life. If something goes wrong, like flickering output or poor contact, stop, reseat the pads, ensure connectors are clean, and restart the unit. Most issues resolve with a reboot and repositioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.